cases coming back, imported cases coming back, increased because the students are coming back as well. And some of the workers in overseas, because of the clampdown in more than 172 countries, they are also coming back. Initially, we thought there's 5 countries. We started with China, then Korea, Japan, Italy, and Iran. But now it's almost 172 countries have experienced. Look at US, for example. Look at UK, for example. Spain, etc. Switzerland, etc. So, I mean, just to name a few. But those coming back from these countries have a possibility of bringing the infection. So our concern, and I'm sure our neighbors and etc., our main concern is imported cases now.